back for the second part of that break. So it's 12:42 now. Just finished Gridiron Gear, and hits were Kendall Hunter, Locker, Pull Out Jersey Auto, Royster Rookie Auto, and Crabtree Jersey. We just got 4 hits. I opened a box of these for myself the other day and got 3 crappy hits. Didn't even get 4th. So, alright, let's do Precision Mini Box. So, hits so far we've got Niners, Titans, and Redskins. Precision, have an auto or auto relic in here. Base, blunt base, and Gerald Jernigan, numbered 8. Last box for this break. Best of luck. And thanks again, everyone. If you're on the other breaks, those will be coming up shortly after this one. It's got Mendenhall on top. $394 out of $499. Jack Lambert out of $499. Game day souvenir. And another jersey. Braylon Edwards. So our Braylon is 54 out of 250. Auto 31 out of 265. Alright, so looks like that's probably the best pull. So that was it for those 3 boxes. Definitely appreciate it, everyone. Again, if you're in the other breaks, those will be starting in just a sec here. Recap, Gridiron Gear. That's the red ink. And Gridiron Gear. 3 Royster. Alright, thanks again, folks. Definitely appreciate it. I'll get the triple threads and crowns started.